One time for the DJs, the PDs, all the independent record stores. DBS Sounds yesterday was amazing. 2.5 hours. Man, I never seen, so much love. Real beautiful, genuine fans. And I gotta highlight these true fans. Like I said, DBS Sounds. Tua in the wheelchair. I want to say I love you. You two know who you are. And the brother that walked in with the oxygen tank. Brother, we had a quick conversation, but much love and salute to me. To me, as a writer, as an artist, it gets no more genuine than that. DBS Sounds. Wagwan youth them. You see, blessings from the Big Belly Rude Boy. You see, you love yourself.